Alright, so we showed you the other day how to use a drop spindle to make some yarn. Now let's make us a frame loom. I don't even know if that's the right particular terminology. But I went down to the Hobby Lobby and got some canvas stretchers, which are these boards that are designed to be put together to make frames. So I've got my canvas frame stretcher put together. Makes a nice decent sized frame, about 3 foot by 2 foot or so. And then I have some 1/16 drill bits, because if I just try to nail in this, it's going to split. Some little finishing nails, some little brads. Then I'm going to take this metal ruler and I'm going to put a hole every centimeter down here on this piece and on the opposite side. Now what I'm going to do is warp it. Make me a little knot here, a little loop. Put over the first one. And I probably should make individual strings. You know, tie it down over here. But I'm not. I'm just going to you want to keep about the same amount of tension. Now I got it wrapped. I'm going to try to weave, and I need to make a heddle